Hello everybody, how are you? In today's video we are going to talk about a subject that impacts many people, snoring. Therefore, it is important to pay close attention and follow along until the end so as not to miss any details. Snoring is a sound produced during sleep, which occurs when the flow of air through the upper airway is partially blocked, causing the tissues to vibrate. Although common, snoring can affect the quality of sleep and cause health problems such as fatigue, irritability, and lack of concentration. However, it is important to understand the cause of snoring, as it can occur due to a blocked nose from an allergy or sinusitis, or even relaxation of the throat muscles due to drinking alcohol and smoking that can irritate the airways and increase the likelihood of snoring. To help reduce snoring, here are some practical tips that you can apply. Change in sleeping position. Sleeping on your side can help reduce snoring as it prevents the tongue from falling back and partially obstructing the airway. An excellent way to reduce snoring is to raise the head of the bed by about 10 centimeters, using a specific stand or object such as old books. This helps to keep the body in a more inclined position, keeping the airways open and facilitating the passage of air, consequently reducing snoring during sleep. Maintain good nasal hygiene. Flushing the nostrils with saline solution or using decongestants can help reduce nasal congestion and improve breathing. Avoiding excess weight. Excess fat around the neck can compress the airways and lead to snoring. The use of a nasal patch is recommended as this product helps to facilitate the passage of air through the nostrils, contributing to smoother breathing and relieving the nasal congestion that can be the cause of snoring. This way, the nasal patch is an excellent option for those who want to reduce or even stop snoring during sleep. I hope this video has helped you and that you can enjoy more peaceful and quiet nights. Thanks for watching and see you next time.